Hey guys, it's Dustin, the Real Estate Baker. Welcome back to another Home Tour Tuesday. Today we are looking at a stunning, modern, contemporary home where luxury meets convenience. Let's take a look. The chef's kitchen is a true heart of this home, complete with bar seating and a generously sized pantry, stainless steel appliances, and a dining area that opens seamlessly to the living space. Whether you're entertaining or just enjoying a quiet evening in, this layout is perfect. This spacious two-story split floor plan features the primary suite on the main level, giving you both comfort and privacy right where you need it most. You'll also notice the soaring ceilings, updated bathrooms, walk-in closets, and tons of natural light that makes this entire home feel bright and welcoming. This home is tucked inside a low-maintenance neighborhood that truly lets you enjoy more and worry less. Your lawn care, pest control, termite bond, and even exterior pressure washing, all included. So you can spend your weekends relaxing instead of working. On the second floor, you'll find another 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, one being a junior suite. So if you're looking for a modern style, low maintenance living, and an unbeatable value, this home checks all the boxes. I'm Dustin, the Real Estate Baker. Thanks for joining me on today's Home Tour Tuesday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more Tallahassee home tours and maybe a recipe or two along the way.